How important is sound design in B-roll? Hey guys, my name is Aria. I'm a filmmaker. Have you ever noticed the sounds under the music of videos, commercials, B-rolls, or even movies? Or haven't you? In fact, many people don't notice it. But if there isn't any sound design under any videos, you will miss it. It's like this: when you are seeing a B-roll or even a commercial, there's a video, there's a music, and that's it, right? No. By the way, like this video before it gets interesting. What I mean by sound is, imagine a commercial for coffee. You see the coffee beans dripping down under the ground, or even a espresso machine. They want to make a coffee. They all have sound. When the coffee bean hits the ground, or even the sound of an espresso machine. So when you want to make a commercial about that, you shoot a video, you pick up music, and you use these sounds. You actually design those sounds. And there are many ways to do that. Sometimes you record the sound on set, but sometimes you shoot a video, you edit your footage, you even pick a music for that, and after you create the sound. You design those sounds. It doesn't mean that when the coffee bean hits the ground, the sound you're hearing is actually a coffee that is hitting the ground. It's maybe something else. Almost always it's something else. And sometimes people download or buy sounds and sound effects. And after all this, you mix and arrange the sounds. So I thought, I want to try something. I shoot a video and record the sound with the microphone on my camera. If you ever shoot any video with any camera, you know this. The sound is just unusable. It's very low quality, it's garbage. And why I did that? Because I want to show you how important is the sound under the music, even though it's in a very low quality. I didn't use any recorder, I didn't use any microphone, nothing, just my camera. So how can you tell the difference? I'm gonna show you a part of the video I made in 3 versions. 1, the video and music. 2, video and just the sounds. 3, which is the final version, is the video, music, and the sounds. Let's watch it. So, what do you think about these 3 versions? Let me know down in the comment. We see all kinds of videos, and mostly they are just videos and 1 line or 2 line of music. That's it. But the most powerful videos that really communicate with the audience is the video that has a sound design. Now, let's watch the full video. One version is video and just the sounds, and the other is the final version, which is a video, music, and the sounds. As you can see, even in the lowest quality possible of sound, it still works. It really helps the video. The video is more powerful, the video is more interesting. You can really feel it, right? Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel and I will see you all in the next one.